Welcome back to Miss Auto Review. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Mahindra Thar, a vehicle that has long been synonymous with rugged off-road capability and classic design. Let's explore what the latest iteration has to offer. The 2025 Mahindra Thar maintains its iconic boxy silhouette, a design that has captivated enthusiasts for years. Subtle refinements, such as a new front grille, updated LED headlamps, and redesigned bumpers, enhance its modern appeal without compromising its rugged character. New alloy wheel designs and additional color options provide customers with more choices. The removable hardtop continues to be available, preserving the open-air adventure experience that makes the Thar unique. Inside, the Thar has seen notable improvements. Mahindra has enhanced seating comfort, upgraded material quality, and refined cabin ergonomics. A redesigned dashboard features a larger touchscreen infotainment system with better connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional upgrades include automatic climate control, power windows, and a premium audio system in higher trims. Efforts to reduce noise, vibration, and harshness levels make the Thar more comfortable for daily driving. Under the hood, the Thar continues to impress with its off-road capabilities. The robust 4x4 system has received refinements to improve traction and stability in extreme conditions. The existing petrol and diesel engines have been tuned for better power delivery and fuel efficiency. Key off-road specifications like ground clearance, approach and departure angles, and water weighting capacity have been retained or slightly improved, ensuring the Thar remains a top choice for adventure seekers. Safety has been a focal point in the 2025 model. Standard features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and electronic stability control. Higher trims offer advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane assist and blind spot monitoring. Structural improvements enhance crash safety, ensuring the Thar meets modern safety norms. Convenience features like a rear-view camera, parking sensors, and a multifunction steering wheel are also available. Pricing for the 2025 Mahindra Thar is competitive yet reflects its premium enhancements. The range starts at 11.35 lakh rupees for the base diesel manual rear-wheel drive model and peaks at 17.60 lakh rupees for the top-of-the-line diesel automatic 4x4 Earth Edition, based on the fully loaded LX variant. The introduction of the 5-door variant, known as the Thar Rocks, starts at 12.99 lakh rupees introductory, ex-showroom. Mahindra offers the Thar in two main variants, AX option and LX. Each variant is available with either a standard hard top roof or a manually folding soft top roof, convertible, and comes with choices of petrol or diesel engines, paired with manual or automatic transmissions. The fully loaded LX variant is considered the best value for money, offering features such as steering-mounted controls, cruise control, a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, tire pressure monitoring, and electrically adjustable mirrors. The 2025 Thar comes equipped with a range of features, including a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, 4 speakers and 2 tweeters, tire pressure monitoring system TPMS, electronic stability program ESP, ISOFIX child seat mounts, dual front airbags, and a height-adjustable driver's seat. Designed to seat 4 occupants, the Thar offers ample headroom in both rows. However, the tall floor requires a bit of effort to enter the cabin, and getting into the rear seat can be challenging, especially for tall adults or those with knee issues. While the rear seat space is decent, the seating position is somewhat awkward due to the rear wheel well. Intruding into the cabin, with all seats in use, boot space accommodates only 3 to 4 soft bags or 2 trolley bags. The rear seats fold down to provide additional luggage space, but cannot be removed entirely. In terms of performance, the Thar offers multiple engine and transmission options. The 1.5-liter diesel engine is exclusive to the rear-wheel drive Thar, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. The 2.2-liter diesel engine is offered with the 4x4 Thar, available with a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission, providing enhanced performance and highway driving comfort. The 2.0-liter petrol engine is available with both 6-speed manual and automatic transmissions, delivering good performance and responsiveness, although it is less fuel efficient. Fuel efficiency varies, with real-world conditions yielding 11–12.5 kmpl for diesel variants and 7–9 kmpl for petrol variants. Safety features include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold and hill descent control, and rear parking sensors. The Thar has also received a 4-star rating from Global NCAP for both adult and child occupant protection. The Thar is available in S.